account is quietly costing you money every single month. In this video, we're breaking down high-yield savings accounts, how they work, why they matter, and how they can help your money grow faster than a traditional savings account. Most people think saving money is enough. But the real question is, where are you saving it? Traditional savings accounts often pay very low interest rates, which means your money may be sitting still instead of growing. A high-yield savings account, also called HYSA, gives your savings the opportunity to earn more while staying accessible and secure. That means your emergency fund, short-term savings, or cash reserves can work harder for you. One of the biggest reasons this matters is inflation. As prices rise, your money loses purchasing power over time. That means the same dollars in your account may buy less in the future. When your savings earns little to no interest, inflation can slowly eat away at its value. The result? Higher living costs, reduced savings power, missed financial opportunities, and more pressure on your budget. This is why choosing the right savings vehicle matters. So, what is a high-yield savings account? A HYSA is a savings account that pays a much higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. It's designed for people who want to keep their money safe, liquid, and still earn better returns. In simple terms, it gives you a smarter place to park money you may need access to, without locking it away in a long-term investment. Here's how a high-yield savings account works. When you deposit money into the account, the bank pays you interest for keeping your funds there. Many online banks offer higher annual percentage yields, or APYs, because they typically have lower operating costs than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. That allows them to pass more value on to customers through better rates. So your money stays available, but it also earns more while it sits. Let's look at some of the key features of a high-yield savings account. First, it offers high liquidity, which means you can access your money when you need it. Second, it usually comes with competitive variable interest rates, so your earnings can be stronger than standard savings accounts. Third, many HYSAs are FDIC insured, which adds an important layer of protection. And finally, they're ideal for short-term goals like emergency funds, travel savings, or planned expenses. This is where the difference becomes real. In this example, regular savings earns about $3.98, while a high-yield savings account earns about $400 over 1 year. That gap shows just how important interest rates can be. Even if the exact number varies depending on the balance and APY, the lesson stays the same. Where you keep your money can dramatically affect how much it grows. Small financial decisions can lead to major long-term results. A common mistake people make is leaving too much money in a low-interest traditional savings account without ever reviewing better options. That decision may feel safe, but it can cost you potential earnings over time. If your money is just sitting there with minimal growth, it's not working efficiently for you. The goal isn't just to save money, it's to put your savings in a position to grow while remaining available. Here are a few best practices when using a high-yield savings account. Compare APYs before opening an account. Use a HYSA for your emergency fund or short-term savings goals. Keep your money both accessible and productive. And review your account regularly, because interest rates can change over time. The smartest savers don't just put money away, they make sure their cash is parked in the right place. To recap, a high-yield savings account gives you 3 major benefits. First, it provides a safe place for your money, especially when it's FDIC insured. Second, it offers flexible access, so you can withdraw or transfer funds when needed. Third, it creates the opportunity for higher earnings than a traditional savings account. If you want your money to stay secure while growing more efficiently, a HYSA is one of the strongest tools to consider. At the end of the day, the message is simple: make your money work. A high-yield savings account won't replace every financial tool, but it can be a smart foundation for cash you want to protect and grow. If your savings is sitting in a low-interest account, now is a great time to review your options and make a more informed move. This presentation is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal, compliance, or financial advice. Always consult your compliance team or a qualified professional before making financial decisions or applying regulatory guidance.